Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the generator. So before talking about the generator, let's talk about the iterables. So what is the meaning of the iterable? So iterables keyword, like we have seen so far, it iterate over the value. For an example, here I am having a num, and in this I'm just defining the value 4, 5. And if I want to print this value, then what we do generally, we use the for loop, and based on that, what we do, we print the data. Now there is a different way of doing this one, and that is the iter. So for an example, I'm just going to take result equal to, so this variable will automatically taken care of the, so this is the for loop. Instead of that, I want to use iter, and this method I'm going to use, and inside that I'm just taking the nums. So at point of this time, when I will print first result, so let's see what it gives. So when I will run this, you will see it is the type of list iterator. So basically this return the list item. But if I want to print the data, so here it has a one special method called next. So so this is the special method. So like this, we will discuss more about the special methods. Like we have the next, we have the init, and there are so many special methods are there. But what is the use of this next? This result will, so as I told you, it's a list iterator. Now this result has all these values, and by using the next, it will print value one by one. But currently you are seeing it is 2. Next time when I will print the same here, and when I will run this, you are seeing 2 and 3. So with the next, internally for loop, what it do? Internally for loop also call the next method, and according to that, it iterate over the value. Apart from that, we have one more, and that is this is the special variable, but we have the next method as well. So this take the result. When I will run this, so you are seeing it is the next value, because till here it is automatic. It means internally the index has reached till here, and then it is printing the next value which will coming. But what we are seeing with this iterator, we are seeing like internally it is keeping all the memory, means in the memory it is keeping the value. But if we talk about the generator, so generator are a type of iterable like list and tuple, but unlike list, they do not store their content in the memory. Instead, they generate item on the fly, which is memory efficient for the large data set. So that is the main use of the generator. Means if we will go with the iterables, it is stored in the memory, that you can see. Like currently we are seeing it here, but in case of the generator, it has not happened. It don't store in the memory. So let's understand that with an example. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a one method here, and that method I will say count. So count, and till what number? So I'm taking one variable as an argument, like till whatever the max number I will give, till that it will count. And I'm just saying it should start from 1. So count, it should start from the 1. I'm just saying, again I'm writing wrong. Okay, so I'm just saying count equal to 1. Now here I'm using the while loop. Now this while loop, what I am saying, count is greater than equal to max, and here I'm using a special variable called yield. Okay, so this method I'm using, and then here I'm just saying count, and then count plus I'm doing here count plus equal to 1. So this is what I'm doing here. But before that, what I will do, I'll just copy this one. Let me comment all the lines first. Let's understand about this variable. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just using the yield count, and here I'm just saying 6. Can we assign that value? No, it's not allowing to assign. So what I will say is, I will say max, that we can do yes. So here what I'm doing, I'm just saying print, and here I will say count method, and I'm just saying 3. When I will run this, you are seeing it's a generator object count, means it is not printing the value in this way. Then how it will print? So again it will take a special like variable. So for that, using this one, we have to put the dot and then next. In that case, when I will run this, you are seeing the value of 3. Means, for an example, here I will take another yield and here I'm just saying 6. In that case, when I will run this, you are seeing the 3 value only. But when next time, when I will call this and when I will run this, here you are seeing 3. Means 2 times it's like we are calling this method, but it's not taking another next variable here. So it is returning the same value at point of this time. Now what I will do, I'll just say like 1 and let me take one more value, and that is the same it here. And let's get rid of this one and let's get rid of this method as well. Now when I will run this at point of this time, what it will print? It is again printing 1 and 1. Now instead of this, what I will take, I'll take like a equal to count, this method I'm calling here, and now instead of calling directly the method, what I'm just calling it, I'm calling with the variable. And when I will run this, you are seeing how many times I'm just calling this method, it is printing the same. Means when I'm just calling that directly that method, it is reinitializing that method again and again. That's why it is printing only one result. But when I call this method once, so internally it keeps the value and then it is calling one by one. So this is the way we are doing. So now what I will do, I'll just get rid of this one, and here I'm just taking as a max as we discussed, so till 5 here, and let's get rid of this code and I'll get rid of this one. So what I'm saying here, let's print the means 5 times we are going to print here, and here instead of using the next, here we have to use the for loop. And how we do that, I in whatever the a means the counter which we have taken, and if I will print the I value, so let's run this, we are seeing all the value as expected, it is coming. So the generator are useful for processing large data stream, implementing lazy evaluation, and handling sequence where computing all element at once is impractical. So this is the way, means the main agenda of the generator, like it not store the data in the memory as the need we needed, it give us that particular data. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.